Hola. Hola means hello in Mexico. I'm so glad to see all of you today. My name is Miss Michelle and welcome to Secrets of the Heart.
Secrets, secrets, secrets of the heart. Secrets, secrets, secrets of the heart. I've got love and I've got joy. Oh, I've got joy. I've got peace and I've got happiness. Oh, I've got joy. Got to let my secrets out. Got to share them with the world. Got to whisper, got to shout. Oh, I've got joy. Secrets, tell the secrets, feel the energy. Secrets of the heart. Secrets, feel the heartbeat, sing the melody. Secrets of the heart. Secrets, tell your friends and tell your family. Secrets of the heart. Secrets, everybody, share your secrets. Secrets of the heart. Secrets of the heart.
Hey, did you see this beautiful painting here? This painting is called the Flower Vendor. A vendor is someone who sells. Diego Rivera painted this story. You see, he was a storyteller, but instead of writing a story in a book, he painted beautiful pictures about Mexico, where he grew up. Hey, I have a great idea. Why don't we use our imagination to jump into this painting and write our own story about our adventure there? Now, when I say "I'll go," that means, are you ready? And you say "Ame," which means, yes, I'm ready. Let's try it. Go. One more time. Go. Very good. Did you know that you are all young masters?
I am somebody. 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 Somebody. Shaka laka boom, shaboom, shaka, shaka laka boom boom. I am somebody. I have a right to be free. To be somebody I can. 'Cause I was born to be me. Say it. I am somebody. 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 Somebody. Shaka laka boom, shaboom, shaka, shaka laka boom boom. Hey!
It's because you all have special gifts, and the gifts are the secrets of the heart. Would you say the Young Masters Pledge with me? Please stand up, make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day,
every day,
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Very good, young masters. You may be seated. Today's secret is imagination. And for those who cannot hear, they use American Sign Language. This is how you say imagination with American Sign Language. Will you sign and say the word imagination with me? Imagination. One more time. Imagination. Very good, young masters. Today, we are going to use our imagination to write a story all about a beautiful painting made by Diego Rivera. Diego Rivera was an artist who grew up in Mexico. Do you know how to say hello if you were in Mexico? That's right. Hola. You remembered. Hola is how you say hello in Spanish, and Spanish is spoken in Mexico and in other places in the world. Hey, first I sing, then you repeat. I have a magic eye. I have a magic eye. It's all inside my mind, you see. I have a magic eye. Hey!
I've got a magic eye. I've got a magic eye. I can see it all inside my mind. I've got a magic eye. You can see what you want to see. An elephant or a tiny flea. The power's in your mind, you see. You've got a magic eye. Now, just imagine this. An elephant so big. Big and pink. No blue, no gray, no purple. What do you think? Just imagine this. A tiny little flea with a little straw hat or a little top hat or a baseball cap. What do you think? Everyone stand up and put your hands in the air. Now wiggle your hips, wiggle your hips, wiggle your hips like you just don't care. Now close your eyes real tight and see what you can see. Think big, think color, see whatever you want to see. An elephant, an insect, a big hot air balloon. World peace. Or maybe you could fly. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see when you close your eyes, huh? Safine, what do you see?
I see a big, giant unicorn.
Oh, unicorn with a horn, right? Wow. And what do you see, Edmundo?
I see a big, beautiful rainbow.
Oh, I love rainbows. Oh, gosh, with a pot of gold at the end?
Yes.
Oh, that's so much fun. Flute, what do you see? Oh, yes. A roaring fire engine running down the street to help someone, I'm sure. Well, what do you see, young master? Just yell it out. Yell it. Wow, a purple anteater. I love anteaters. Oh, I've got a magic eye. I've got a magic eye. I can see it all inside my mind. I've got a magic eye. You can see what you want to see. An elephant or a tiny flea. The power's in your mind, you see.
You got a magic eye.
That's right.
You got a magic eye.
Oh, yeah.
You got a magic eye. You got a magic eye.
You're brilliant.
You got a magic eye.
Our magic eye is our imagination. And imagination is when you see pictures inside your mind. Where's your mind? That's right, it's right here in your head. You know, you can use your imagination to think of all kinds of things like stories. I love stories. You know, you can find stories in books, on your TV, or even in the movies. But every story you find, any place, has 1, 2, 3 parts. Will you say those parts with me? Okay, every story starts at the beginning. It's followed by the middle. And every story stops with the end. I love stories. Do you have a favorite story? Oh, I heard someone say Frozen. Frozen is my favorite story too. Did you know that every story everywhere has characters? See, characters are who the story is about. My favorite character in the story of Frozen is Anna and Olaf. Who is your favorite character? Oh, that's terrific. And did you know that every story everywhere takes place someplace? That's called the setting. That's where the story takes place. Now, the story of Frozen takes place in Arendelle. Hey, did you see this beautiful painting here? This painting is called the Flower Vendor. A vendor is someone who sells. Diego Rivera painted this story. You see, he was a storyteller, but instead of writing a story in a book, he painted beautiful pictures about Mexico, where he grew up. Do you know where Mexico is? It's right here on the map. This is Mexico, right under the United States. Hey, I have a great idea. Why don't we use our imagination to jump into this painting and write our own story about our adventure there? Are you ready? Okay, on the count of 3, let's jump into the painting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! We're here inside the painting. Let's start our story with Once Upon a Time. There was a lovely lady named... Oh, what should we call her? What is her name? Sonia! That's a great name. Once upon a time, there was a lovely lady named Sonia, and she was getting ready to sell her flowers at the fair. She had friends to help her. Let's count her friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 people in this painting. 7 characters. Sonia and her friends were bundling up the flowers. Hey, let's take a moment and smell the flowers, shall we? I smell roses. What do you smell? Great job. Sonia and her friends were working all day in the hot sun. Whew. How do you think Sonia felt? Yes, happy. What else? Oh, yes, that's right. She felt hot. What should we do to cool down? That's a great idea. We should get a tall glass of lemonade. All right, let's use our imagination and pretend to drink this yummy glass of lemonade. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, mine tasted sweet and sour. What did yours taste like? Cool. Sonia and her friends enjoyed their lovely lemonade in the beautiful sun with the flowers all around them. They felt how did they feel? I heard you say it. They felt happy. Oh, and every story stops with the end. Great job, young masters. We made our story. I think it's time for us to jump out of the painting. Let's say goodbye to Sonia and her friends first. Bye, Sonia. Okay, on the count of 3, let's jump out of the painting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Wow, that was a lot of fun. We used our imagination to create a whole story about this painting called The Flower Vendor. Wow, that was a lot of fun. I think it's time, though, that we say the Young Master's Pledge. Will you all please stand up and make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. I promise.
I promise
To use my gifts.
to use my gifts
Every day.
every day
In every way.
in every way,
For I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
I had such a fun time spending time with you today. And remember, you can use your imagination to create anything you want. We'll see you next time. Bye.
All right, everybody. First I sing, then you sing. Thank you for being here.
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 I love you very much.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We go around in a circle of creation. We go around in a circle, use our imagination. We go around in a circle of creation. We go around in a circle, use our imagination. Close your eyes, tell me what you see. La 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 la. Tell me what you see. La 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 la. Tell me what you see. We go around in a circle of creation. We go around in a circle, use our imagination. We go around in a circle of creation. We go around in a circle, use our imagination.